Hey you guys, welcome back to Zindy. I am so glad you're here. So today I wanted to talk about badge reels and how to get into this craft. This one is super fun and also super popular if you're looking for something to sell online or Etsy, friends and family, that kind of stuff. Or if you're just trying to make gifts for somebody, these make great gifts, okay? So let me show you two examples of some badge reels and then I'll go over everything you need to get started to make them, and then I'll do a video following this on actually making some. Okay, so this one is the Sweetheart Candy Box. This is a shaker style. The reason why it's a shaker is because it's several acrylics on top of each other with space in the middle that you can fill it with different things. This one specifically is a dry shaker because there's no liquid inside. But you can also do a liquid-filled badge reel, which are super fun. All right, here is another one. This is the social battery one. So that's super cute, and it has this little lightning bolt that you can move into wherever you want throughout the day as your social battery gets worse. So these two are super cute. These are on the fancier side, but you can go much simpler with these as well, okay? Now, let's go over what you need to get started to actually make badge reels, okay? So, first things first, you will need your actual badge reel hardware. So there's a few different options. This is an alligator clip and a swivel. Okay, so this is a swivel alligator clip and it goes all the way around. And then you have more of a belt clip like this, which is stationary. Okay, both of them are popular. The swivel alligator clip tends to be more popular. I would say about 60% of customers will want this and about 40% will want this. One thing to be aware of when buying badge reels, you want a nice high quality badge reel, because whenever you're selling these or gifting these or whatever, when they're actually being used, the thing that's going to break is not the acrylic blank. The badge reel will break before anything else. So you want one that is that's reliable, okay? So you want a reliable badge reel, especially if you're affixing them permanently. If it breaks, you won't be able to just switch it out. If you're doing interchangeable ones, then they can just switch it out and replace it with another badge reel. But if it's permanently on there, you want a really good badge reel, okay? I recommend getting Specialist ID badge reels. That's what we sell on the Zindy website. That's the only kind we sell. They're awesome and they last forever. So it's really important to get a really good badge reel. Okay, after that, you will need your acrylic blank, which is basically the face or the topper of your badge reel. There are a ton of different options as far as faces and toppers on the Zindy website. Literally like thousands of designs, which is super fun. Okay, so they'll look like this. They'll come in brown protective paper. We have some of them that are in white or black that you can get in white or black, but most of all of them are clear. Every shape that we offer is in clear, but some of them are also black and white. So they will look like this. As far as size of acrylic blank that you will need for badge reels, 2 inches, okay? The 2-inch size is what you're going to use for badge reels. There are certain shapes that are a little skinny or you might want to go a little bit bigger, but for the large majority, you want to do 2-inch size. If you're going to get like a circle, a 2-inch circle, you could go as low as 1.5 inch and it still cover this, okay? So it just depends on the look you want. But 2-inch is the size that is most widely used when it comes to badge reels, okay? So, you got your badge reel hardware, you have your acrylic blank, and now you need a way to attach your acrylic blank to your hardware. So, like I said before, you can permanently affix it. So you can use something like a mixed media adhesive, E6000, you can use UV resin if you like, super glue, a bunch of ways that you can permanently attach your acrylic blank to your badge reel. Or, if you want to make interchangeable ones where they can change the face out, you want to use a low profile 3M dual lock Velcro. All of these things that I'm talking about, if they're not on the Zindy website, they'll be in our Amazon affiliate link below this video. Okay, so that's how you're going to attach. So either permanently attach, or you can make them completely removable where you can switch out your faces for your badge reel. Okay, now, as far as decorating your acrylic blank, literally endless endless options, okay? So whenever you buy an acrylic blank from Zindy, you're gonna also get an SVG that goes with it. So if you have something like a Silhouette or a Cricut machine and you wanna cut vinyl to put on your acrylic blank, you'll have all of that file ready to go. It's already pre-sized. You'll use the SVG and just choose your colors and cut that out in your vinyl and then place it like a puzzle, okay? Let's say you don't have a vinyl cutter or you just don't like cutting vinyl. There's also other options that you can do. So we have kiss cuts for our acrylic blanks that look like this. So it's basically a sticker that you stick onto the front of your acrylic blank, but this is not just a normal sticker. It's permanent, outdoor rated, waterproof vinyl. Okay, so super high quality sticker that you can put on the front of your blank. We have them in clear so that you don't have a white background, or we also have them in white. Just depends on what option you like. Another option is UV DTF, which is another way to decorate the acrylic blanks, or because our acrylic blanks at Zindy are all cast acrylic, they will accept sublimation inks. So if you're a big sublimation user, you can totally sublimate the acrylic blanks. And we have sublimation transfers on the website, or you can use the SVG that's provided with the acrylic blank and print your own sublimation if you have a sublimation printer. Okay, so that's how you get the image on there. That's how you decorate it. We provide all of that. Now, in addition to that, if you want to add glitter or anything like that, you can do it with real loose glitter, or you can do it with like glitter vinyl, transparent glitter vinyl. If you don't know about transparent glitter vinyl, it is absolutely amazing. So basically you cut the outline of your shape, you put it on your acrylic blank, and it looks like real glitter. It's awesome. Like, let's see. Actually, the background of this one is transparent glitter vinyl. Super cool. And on this side is brightly colored pink. So this is a really neat one. So tons of options as far as the back of it goes. Or you can leave it clear. You don't have to decorate the back at all. Total up to you. Now, last thing is sealing. Okay, so if you want to seal the acrylic blanks. So this one is sealed with epoxy resin, and this one is also sealed with epoxy resin. Do you have to seal it? No. If you're using permanent outdoor adhesive vinyl, there's no necessity to seal it. But if you want the look of it, that dome-like finish, that glass-like finish, then sealing will give you that look, okay? My sealant of choice is Resin Rockers UV resin. This is what we sell on the Zindy website. It's awesome. Has a great glass-like finish, super easy to work with. You don't have to use UV resin. You can use 2-part epoxy resin, or there's also resin alternatives such as Crystalac or Triple Thick or Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. So if you look at some of my old videos, there's a video of all the different ways you can seal acrylic. So if you're not a fan of UV resin or resin in general, you can totally have other options, or you can just not seal depending on how you're decorating, okay? If you're using UV resin, you want to make sure you have gloves. You want to make sure you have a silicone brush. This saves a ton. It makes it so much easier to work with UV resin. And a silicone mat is also a lifesaver, because any resin that gets on here, once it's cured, you can just pop it right off. So it's really easy to clean up. And then you will also want a torch of some kind to pop any bubbles or anything that's in your resin, okay? This is super, super important and super handy. And I think, oh, and last thing, can't forget, you will need a UV light of some kind to cure your UV resin if you're going to go the UV resin route. And then that is it. That is all you need for making a badge reel. I know that was a lot of information, but a lot of it was just optional. So I hope that helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing a video immediately following this on this little guy, acrylic blank. So we'll be doing that one immediately following this. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.